The hearing for the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's plea challenging his arrest by CBI is underway in the Delhi High Court. Justice Neena Bansal Krishna is hearing the matter, and senior advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi and Vikram Chaudhary from CM Kejriwal's team are present in the court. Arguing for Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, Abhishek Manu Singhvi said that there are psychological winds blowing in the mind of CBI. He claimed that the CBI wants to ensure that CM Kejriwal stays in jail by hook or crook. All eyes are on whether Chief Minister Kejriwal will be granted bail today or not. Shubh Rana on the telecast with me. Shubh, of course, the hearing is underway at this point of time. If you could take our viewers to the developments that are taking place.
Yes, definitely, Sabri. All the eyes on the High Court now because the Aam Aadmi Party have been on its nerves. Because Delhi High Court is hearing Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's bail plea challenging his arrest by the CBI, and the court is also hearing his plea seeking bail in the CBI FIR. But also, Sabri, if he comes out from the jail now, it would be very big for Aam Aadmi Party, but also it is in addition to that, he has to knock the doors of Supreme Court again if he is not granted bail today. So both the options are open to Arvind Kejriwal, but Aam Aadmi Party have been on nerves. And if I talk about just Abhishek Manu Singhvi have been on Arvind Kejriwal's side, and he has been saying that he is Delhi Chief Minister and not a terrorist. The case of Arvind Kejriwal has been, compared to the case of Imran Khan, and big allegations have been happening. Also, the advocate from Arvind Kejriwal, Abhishek Manu Singhvi, have been saying that I am in complete violation of procedure under Article 21, and I'm ready in ED custody. While I'm in custody almost 2 years after August, and 1 year of interrogation application is made to examine me in judicial custody in terms of Section 41 ACRPC. So basically, Abhishek Manu Singhvi is saying that this is pre-planned by CBI, because when he was given bail in the matter of ED, then CBI have arrested him, and Abhishek Manu Singhvi have been continuously saying that there is no proof by the CBI, and if Supreme Court have granted interim bail to the Chief Minister, then also he should be given bail in the CBI matter. Also the Singhvi, also senior advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi have been adding that the application is allowed the same day by the trial court and without notice to hearing me, and this is not a post office system. Next day another application is made after having interrogated me, saying please allow me to arrest. This is what Abhishek Manu Singhvi have been saying from Chief Minister's side, and he have been saying that astonishingly the application itself mentions Section 160, and now suddenly he becomes an accused. How, what, and when? Nothing. These are the questions which have been raised by senior advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi, and also because he is keeping what is the evidence, and he have been talking about the trial courts who have given the regular bail under PMLA for 4 days earlier, and if so, he have been saying that Arvind Kejriwal is the Chief Minister and he is not a terrorist. Therefore, a big statements have been made by Abhishek Manu Singhvi. After all, he is the Chief Minister and not a terrorist. And I never get a copy of application. Prayer is that let me examine while he is in custody, and no notice have been given, and order is being passed. So therefore, I am not being heard. This is what Abhishek Manu Singhvi have been saying, and thereby court have replied that is there no formal arrest in CBI, due to which Abhishek Manu Singhvi have replied that it is done subsequently. I'll tell the sequence. So war of words have been going on, but Abhishek Manu Singhvi have been keeping the path of Arvind Kejriwal. He have been demanding that he must be given, bail in this matter, because in the Supreme Court he have been granted interim bail. And as family, trust me, this is going to be very big today, because if Arvind Kejriwal will get the bail in the High Court, he will get out from the jail and he will straight come to Aam Aadmi Party office, but Aam Aadmi Party have been on complete nerves and they have been positive of the results, but the court will decide that what will happen in this matter. Gets back to you.
For more such videos, Subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.